In this guide, we'll show you how to enable sticker effects in the Telegram desktop application on your PC so your stickers appear more animated and interactive while chatting. To begin, open the Telegram application on your computer. Before continuing, make sure you are using the latest version of Telegram so you can access all the newest features and visual effects. Once Telegram is open and your chats are visible, look at the top left corner of the screen and click the three horizontal lines to open the main menu. From the menu, select Settings. This will open Telegram's Settings panel where you can customize different features of the application. Inside the Settings menu, look for the section called Animations and Performance and click on it. This area controls how smooth and dynamic Telegram feels while you use it. Next, scroll down until you find the Stickers and Emoji section. Here, you should see an option labeled Sticker Effects. Simply turn the toggle on to enable animated sticker effects in Telegram on your PC. Once enabled, supported stickers will display smoother animations and visual effects, making your chats feel more lively and interactive. And that's it. You've successfully enabled sticker effects in the Telegram desktop application on your PC. Thanks for following this guide. If you found it helpful, feel free to explore more simple tech tutorials.